Okay, good morning students. Renuka Nannuji here. The Russian Revolution lesson of ninth standard is already started by us. Okay, and in that I have discussed little bit about the age of social change. Who brought social change, which ideas influenced the people, inspired the people of Asia and Europe, that is French Revolution inspired the people of Asia and Europe. Okay, and after that I told you about liberals. Liberals is one group of the people who wanted to bring change in the society. What were the ideas of liberals we have already discussed in the previous slide. Today radicals, let us study this group of people, what were their views. Let us study about radicals. Okay, the first one is radicals wanted a government based on majority of country's population. It means majority rule. Like for example, two people are contesting in the election, but the person who gets majority votes in the election will be the elected member. That we follow in India also. Majority votes, you are the winner. In the same way here, they wanted a government based on majority of country's population. It means according to the will and wish of the people, the ruler is there who is elected. So that is the best idea. It means voting right will be given to all, right? So that people can participate in the election. There will be no restriction with if you have property then you can contest, etc. So majority of the people can participate in election, and based on their opinion the government will be formed. This is the first point about political system. Second, they opposed privileges of wealthy factory owners and landlords. Okay, radicals were opposing the privileges of rich factory owners. Why rich factory owners they were opposing? Because always the factory owners used to get the work done from the laborers. I know that definitely salary will be given to the laborers. But one problem was low salary, meager salary, very less payment or wages was given to the laborers, which was not sufficient, and also number of working hours more. So due to this, what happened? And even if any what is that accident will take place or any medical issue will arise, laborers were not given any insurance. They were not given any privilege. They were not given any compensation. Due to this, the condition of the laborer was very worst. Standard of living was low, income was less, but they were working hard. Due to that, lot of money was generated by the owners of the factory. So rich will become rich and the poor will become poor. There is a wide gap between rich and the poor. So what it will say now, students? Like because of the workers you are there, but the benefit you are taking alone, you are not sharing the benefit, you are not sharing the income, you are not sharing the profit. That's why wealthy factory owners privileges should be taken away. That was the view of radicals. As well as landlords, students, landlords, zamindars. Even in India we had zamindari system. Okay, like now if some one farmer is there who want loan, it may be for the daughter's marriage or it may be for any other what is that economic problem, they want money. During that time they used to go to landlords or the zamindars. Zamindars used to give them the loan, but with high rate of interest. Sometimes their property paper or the land papers will be kept in the house of the landlord, and when the farmer cannot pay the debt, that time the paper will go, which means the property or the land will go to the landlord. So like that, lot of exploitation was done by landlords in India also. Same way in Europe, landlords had lot of privileges. Okay, they were given special recognition by the rulers also. So why like that? Okay, this was the question of radicals. Why extra privileges to them? This was the question of radicals. Okay, next, disliked concentration of wealth in few hands. This is also same. Economic power or money should not be only in few hands. It should be equally distributed to all. So this is little like a matter of discussion, because if anybody is earning money, then the money will be his. How can he distribute the money with others? But here what had happened is, like you are a ruler and you are taking the tax from the people, and you have kept all that money in your treasury which you are spending for the lavish life or the royalty. Then it is definitely people's money. You are not supposed to keep it. When there is a natural calamity or any other disaster, you need to spend that money with all. So that's why money should not be concentrated in one hand, it should be equally distributed, or at least in few hands, majority. This is how, like payment can be given equally according to the hard work. When the owner gets profit, he should share, so something like that. Okay, and the last point is supported women suffrage movement. It means even women should participate in election, they should vote in the election. This was the very good point of the radicals. It means they supported women, they wanted equality of men and women. So this is all about radicals. I hope you understood about radicals. Now next is conservatives. It is very easy and less points are there, let me explain. But conservative point is important also from examination point of view. These people, they oppose the idea of change. See, conservative means what? Like some modern things are coming in our life, sometimes we may accept it and sometimes we may not. Okay, but our ancestors, or now at in your families also, grandmother will be there, grandfather will be there. Sometimes as you are adjusting according to the modern change, they will not adjust, right? So sometimes we will say that they are conservatives, ideas are conservative, it means they are not ready to change. So these people conservatives, earlier they were not interested in any change, they oppose the idea of change. Let the situation be as it is, this was their view. But slowly they accepted the changes, they understood, okay, it is for the welfare of the society, then why not we change a little. So like that conservatives started changing. They believed in preserving and respecting past. See student, note down one point. They believed in preserving and respecting past. Definitely our past is very very important. Past will teach us lot of lessons for the present and future. That's why history repeats, we say. From historical evidences we can understand that what problems may arise in future, and there are definitely different solutions also for those problems. So we have to preserve our past, like our culture, our religion, our views, elders, whatever things are made, like it may be a monument, we have to preserve that. Okay, old customs and traditions we have to preserve, we have to respect the past. This was the best view of conservatives, and wanted change but at a slow pace. They never wanted quick change, they never wanted a revolution that overnight only everything should change. They wanted step by step change. Okay, slow pace, they wanted to go by slow pace. So this is about conservatives. So we completed liberals, radicals and conservatives. I hope you understood. Thank you.